So AI automation is the biggest online trend right now. And if you want to make money online or want to make money with AI automation, this is the video for you. And this is the trend you want to jump into. Let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a way to make money with AI automation that you might not have thought of yet. And it's a very simple way to actually do this. And you might be surprised at what you find in this video, because I was actually surprised at the end of this video. It's kind of crazy the money that's been made here. It's mind-blowing. So let's get started, and I'm going to take you through this whole process step by step. Drop a like on this video. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make money with AI automation, and I bet you haven't thought of this. Let's get started. All right, guys, so if you don't know, AI automation is the newest trend right now. Look at these insane results right now on Google Trends over the last 12 months. It's at 100. It's at its peak. This is nuts. There is so much money to be made right now with AI automation. And what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to do it the best way possible. So let's get into doing that right now. So if you don't know anything about AI automation, you don't know how to do any of that, it's actually very simple to make money with this. And I'm going to use a strategy that integrates with how I've been making money online for quite some time. So let's get down to this. If you go to YouTube right now and you put in AI automation, you're going to notice all of these videos, right? There's a lot of these videos. You just go down AI automation, AI automation. There's these like AI software make viral babies. There's another one here. Where is it? Passive income, YouTube, autopilot. You might have seen all of these videos, right? Here's another one. This agent does everything. Well, put it this way. You can potentially go make money by actually going and doing these methods. Like this AI system makes viral talking baby podcasts. You can go and do that, but there's a much better way to make money with this. And I'm going to show you right now. So this video is from Robo Nuggets. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how much these guys are making. And it's absolutely insane. And this is the full funnel breakdown. And there are tons of guys doing this, and this stuff actually works. It's mind-blowing to me. So let me explain to you exactly how all of this works, break down everything. So first of all, what this guy does is he builds these funnels, these flows. I'm used to funnels. I mean, they're the same thing essentially. So he builds these flows and he builds them in n8.io. Now I'll show you the first way he makes money. If you go into his description, I don't know why my computer's so slow right now. You go into his description and you'll see that he has a link. He should have a link. Yeah, free trial of N8. So he makes an affiliate commission. If we go to the bottom of N8 right now, you'll probably see that there's an affiliate page, affiliate program. The first way he makes money is he gets commissions from promoting this product. So it's really easy for people to actually go and import templates, okay? So he makes money from that, but that's not the big money maker. The biggest way he makes money is if you actually go down here and you click on this Skool.com. What he does is inside his Skool network, his Skool platform here, he charges $79. Like, guys, this is how much he's doing per month. Like, that's insane. And in the last, I think that was 1.2 yesterday, but this is what he's doing in a month. It's absolutely insane. Just from this strategy, and what he's doing is he's doing these templates and then he's giving them away inside his group. And then he's also got an affiliate link here as well. And if we scroll down, here is all of the information right here. It's very simple to understand. This is the simplest funnel I've seen online in a very long time. Usually to make money online this way, you need complicated systems, but it's not complicated, and you can do this too. Go to N8, learn how to use this product to build templates. Go to YouTube and do YouTube videos giving away those templates. Create your own Skool group. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can go and create your own Skool group right now. I would get a kickback from that. But once you do that, you put that in your description, you charge a fee, and then you have your templates inside the group that you give away. What you can also do is you can go to Etsy and you can put in PLR products, and you can get automation products that you can resell, books and all that sort of stuff. So we can go like AI, PLR. You can get books and stuff that you can resell. So what I would be doing myself is I'll be doing the templates, and then I would be starting the group, and then as filler content, so you can give out more content, you can go ahead and sell these products as well, these AI books and stuff. How do you do that? Let me show you. This is my free group. We go to Classroom here, and I can actually sell. So this product is $7, but it's not showing up because I'm logged in as the admin, but I sell this for $7. You can go ahead and what I might do is go like this, create course. I can create a course, an ebook, or whatever I want, and then I can put in a buy now and a price, and people have to pay a price. So you have a membership that people are paying you monthly. Then you can also sell PLR products, so AI bundle with resale rights. You can also sell this inside your group for a cheap price, $5, $10, $7. It's insane. This funnel is the easiest, simplest funnel I've ever seen, like in the last few years at least. Not complicated, super simple to understand. So let me give you a whiteboard explanation of how this works. The traffic source for this particular method is YouTube. This is what these guys are using, okay? And what they're doing is they are doing videos on templates that they have created in a program called N8N, okay? What they are then doing is they are then sending people to N8N, and they are getting a commission when people sign up to that software. Then what they're also doing is they're sending people to their group where they are charging a fee for entry to that group. Inside that group, they also, I've been inside one of these ones, but I don't know about the one I've showed you. They make income from also promoting other products as well. That is the funnel. It is super simple. Now you can actually add something else to this funnel if you like as well, and I'll show you what I mean. If you go to N8 workflows, /workflows, you can actually see that people have created templates that you can actually sell. So if I click on this one's got it used for free, but there's ones that are actually for sale. And they're making money from selling their templates on N8 as well. So he's selling his for $5. So what you could also do is you could have your paid group, but you could also, if you wanted to, you could sell the templates as well for a price on N8. I do apologize. This is so there's advertisements coming up. All these videos, what is happening? Let's get rid of that. Waste of time. So they get commissions from that as well. So that's another way that you can do it. What you can also do is you might be thinking to yourself, well, I don't want to go ahead and run videos, show my face or anything like that. And that's completely fair enough. This guy doesn't actually show his face in most of his videos. So you could use an AI voice if you wanted to and never show your face. So you could use AI to do this as well. And if we actually go back here and we scroll down, there is lots of people doing this method that I just showed you. So there's this guy as well who is called Nate, and he does the exact same method. So there's a ton of people doing this method. And if we actually click on one of his recent videos, this one was done in the last 3 months, but we'll click on this one and you'll see that he's doing the exact same thing. Now he actually shows his face, but that's all right. You don't really need to. If we go down, we click in here, you can see that he's promoting the N8 right here. And then he's also got a Skool group. If we look for his Skool group, he's probably charging a fee as well. Okay, that's crazy. I didn't know it was that much. That's what he's making per month. So you times that by that. Okay, that's insane. Wow. Okay, so this is another example of this basic business model in AI automation. So if you want to make money in AI automation, this is the way to do it. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you something as well. If we go Franklin, so if we put in Franklin Hatchett YouTube free course and we click on this, I actually have a full course on how you can get traffic on YouTube, and I'll leave a link in the description as well. And you can actually see the earnings and all that sort of stuff, so you know that YouTube actually works. But this is 4 years ago, but it also is still relevant today. Not much has changed. So get the YouTube traffic, do these tutorials, and these funnels, this system that these people are doing, it's crazy, it's working. Go back, rewind this video, have a look for yourself. Study this, because this is how these guys are making money online with AI automation right now. I'll leave everything you need to know in the description.